Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO Y72. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. Firstly, let's go to settings, enter security and tap on screen lock. Right now my screen lock is pattern, and here we've got 5 types of screen locks: none, swipe, pattern, pin and password. Firstly, none. Now swipe. Pattern. Pin. And password. Let's select pattern again. And let's proceed to fingerprint. Your sensor is right here. Okay, and the last thing is face. We have to scan our face to use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.